Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, downloads folder not opening or loading slow, fix it fast. First method is change download folder properties. Second method is system file checking. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.